Do a good turn to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with the yo-yo tape so that it would spin around and not go down. Happy 4th of July. Today our contribution related idiom is to do a good turn, or to do someone a good turn. This idiom has been around since the 1400s, and it means, of course, to do something nice for someone, to do a favor for somebody. We talked about do a favor the other day. Without being asked. Do something nice without being asked. Just, go out of your way. And it reminds me of the law of reciprocity, where what we put out into the world is what we get back. So if you put good out into the world, you get good back. What does this have to do with building and growing and supersizing our business? Now, I would imagine that if you've been alive and been around for a certain amount of time, you have done good deeds or good turns for other people without being asked. Maybe for your parents, maybe for your family, maybe for your friends, maybe hopefully for yourself as well. That as we're building and growing and supersizing our business, it's critical to do a good turn for our customers, the customers and the people that we serve. We want to make sure that their experience with us, and that we're paying attention to their experience with us, not just voicing goods and services on them that benefit us more than they benefit them. If we're not benefiting people, if we're not making the world a better place, our business may tend to struggle, especially if we're not in a utility or a high demand area and industry that people pretty much have got to have in order to survive. I mean, there's certain industries where people are going to buy your products and services no matter what. I think of internet services these days, cell phone services, our waste removal services. Most of our municipalities determine what those are going to be for us, and they have a monopoly based on different municipalities, and that's what they serve. It's kind of like soft drink companies in the restaurant industry. Usually a restaurant will have a contract with either Coke or Pepsi or someone else, and they will exclusively sell those products in their establishment. And whether that's good for the customer or not, it should be good for the customer, but it's usually a decision that's made based on profits to the business. Let's be honest, that's the way certain things happen in our industries. That's the way we choose raw materials, etc. So the whole topic of making sure our customers' experience is what they expect and then some is always going to be critical to helping us supersize and grow our business. Another area that comes to mind, working with a lot of different businesses and a lot of different clients, especially as they're starting out and getting established, or when they're going through different growth spurts, is the idea of maybe not working for free, although I think a lot of times we should work for free or find ways to make the world a better place by offering our products and services to people that really, really will benefit from them, but maybe can't afford our top of the line offerings. There's a lot of people that think they have to charge for absolutely every single thing they do. And I think that they're missing out, because again, what we put into the world, how we give value, comes back to us tenfold. So if we're willing to help people out and do a good turn, a lot of ways we can contribute to charities, we can contribute to our communities, we can be an active participant in the communities that we operate in terms of making them a better place for not only our customers, but for the people that are part of our organization, our team members, our employees, our strategic partners, etc. So I don't have a problem. I don't do everything for free, but I don't have a problem sharing my knowledge and sharing my wisdom and helping other people to get a leg up, being a mentor and a coach, because I think it's important that we give back to the areas that we live in. So how do you do a good turn? How has a good turn or a favor been done for you? Has someone along the way given you a leg up? And I just remembered one of my pet peeves about this area. Some people, in some industries, people brag about whenever they do anything for anybody. The network marketing industry was one where this was one of my pet peeves. Every time someone in leadership did something or donated to charity or helped their parents, they would blast it on social media. And that always felt ingenuine to me, or disingenuous to me, because they were sharing how awesome they were, and they were making so much money that they could help other people, and they had to show that to the world. And I think that when we're really making the world a better place and doing a good turn, it's when we do it without having to get credit for it, right? We donate our time and our energy and our resources, meaning money or whatever other resources we choose to donate. We donate those to causes without having to get credit for them. And I think as your business supersizes and grows, you feel less need from an I guess egotistical standpoint to share those things. You just do them because they're the right thing to do, and other people will talk about it, and that's awesome, but you don't have to talk about it yourself anymore. So that's my thoughts on do a good turn. Love to know your experience with this particular contribution related idiom and how it's impacted your business, or maybe it doesn't and it's a new area for you that you're going to say, maybe I need to think about how our business can give back to the areas that we work in, to the causes and the things we really care about. And if we're just starting out, we might need to broadcast that or let other people broadcast it for us. But as we reach a certain level, we just do the right thing and it becomes part of our identity and who we are. We don't need to talk about it or brag about it. All right, have an awesome day. Have a tremendous 4th of July if you're in the United States. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another contribution-related idiom to coincide with this year's annual challenge. Any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, have a fabulous day. Bye.